Do you own a social media page such as facebook.com and you're managing it for your online business? Stay tuned for this video because I will be sharing on how you can create a social media graphics like this for your Facebook page. Hello there guys, my name is Teresa and welcome back to my channel. So let's head over to Canva and start creating social media graphics. So we're here in Canva, and if you search for social media graphics, you can see here there's a lot of templates that you can choose from to use it as your guide in creating your design. On the left side of your screen, you can filter by category, by style, by theme, and by color. For example, you decide to use templates to edit a design or a social media graphics. You can filter the category by Facebook post if you are creating for Facebook post, and you can filter the style for example, simple or minimalist, elegant. You can choose. You can view more to view the other style. Filter the theme also. For example, you are creating a sale post for your Facebook business page. You can click on sale, and then you can filter also by color, so you can use your own branding color. In this tutorial guys, we will create our own social media graphics. You can check out my Canva playlist in here to know more about how you can edit the templates in Canva. Let's go to templates and create our own social media graphics. Go to Facebook post if you are creating Facebook post. For Instagram, you can click on Instagram, and if you are creating for marketing, you can choose for marketing posters, flyers. Click on Facebook post and click on create a blank Facebook post. Change the background. You can add your own branding color. You can add a plain color by clicking on the background color, and then you can choose a color you like. So in this tutorial, I want to use the elements I always use. To set this as your background, you can right click and then set image as background. Okay, I want to edit this image to make it blur. Go to the top toolbar and edit image. Go to the adjust section, see all, and you can see here blur. I want to blur it to 10. Then let's add some shape in here. Let's go to lines and shape. Again, element section, go to lines and shape, see all, and then choose a shape you want. Roll it like this. So papaliitan lang natin. Position it on the center. To make sure na nasa center na siya, click on the elements or image, go to the top toolbar, position, then change the color. Then you can grab a photo. For example, you want skincare products. Then you can grab in here. Let's just filter this one by cut out only. Cut out only means there is no background. It's already in PNG format. You can use this one guys, this one, and then make it smaller and then position it on the center. To add text, press on T, letter T, as in text, super deal. Right, and then position it here. You can change the color by clicking the text, and here text color, you can change it to white. Ayan. Then you can make it bolder, or you can change the font to the bolder one. For example, this one, super deal. Okay, let's add more text, 75% off, and place it here. Okay, this one, let's make it bigger. Put it in the center, go to the three dots, position, and then center. You can add your social media in here. Okay, grab social media icon like Facebook icon, Instagram, para maging parehas guys yung size ng mga icons nyo. Halimbawa ito, okay na yan sa'yo. And then yung susunod, ilalagay nyo lang dyan sa ibabaw. Same size na yan. Okay? And then place it here. I-add nyo dyan yung username nyo. Media.com. Okay, so kung ang username nyo, for example, my Facebook username is simplytherese.com, you can add your username. Okay? Then you can change the font. The color you want to use to your own design is your branding color. And then let's group this one by selecting it all. Then click on the three dots, click on group, and then you can position this to the center. You can add your own logo in here. You can add animations to your text, audio, more elements to your social media graphics. Let's add a effects in here. Let's click on the text you want to put the effects or animations. Go to the top toolbar, effects. Then you can choose a style in here. In this case, I want to use neon. Okay. Then you can adjust the intensity. I want it 100. Then I want to change the text color to yellow.
Choose and to add an animation to the text, go to the top toolbar again, go to animation, and you can select animations here. Okay, if you are using Canva free account, you can use this free animations here. Okay, but I want to use this neon.
To change the timing of your animation, if you click on the background, it will appear on the top toolbar, the animate and the time to 1 second. Let's download it to see how it goes. To download it, I want GIF format. If you want MP4 video, you can, as you can see here guys, GIF is a short clip with no sounds. Let's use this one and then download it. Preview this. It will look like that. I will show you again on how you can download MP4 video. If you want to add more animations in here, click on the photo and you can click on animate, then choose animations. Let's choose photo zoom. Let's change this 5 seconds timing.
Kung gusto niyo namang itong i-download as an MP4 video, you can add an audio. I have uploaded here an audio and I will use, for example, this one, Soft and Beauty. Okay, you cannot hear the sound because yung mic ko nakapasak sa laptop. Okay.
In creating a social media graphics or any design here in Canva, you can customize your design
until na ma-reach nyo kung ano yung pinakagusto nyo and pinaka-the best na design para sa inyo. Okay, the original design is better than copying on the other design. So if we use an elements or a templates in here, we can recreate that templates to make it our own design by using our color scheme, by using our own color scheme or color branding, and then by using our own details. For example, the details in here. Okay, let's preview this one. For example, we want to use this template as our guide, okay? So, wag niyong gagayahin tong evenly bright face, reduce wrinkles, nourish skin, healthy skin. So, ilagay niyo dyan yung sarili niyong details. Then, palitan niyo ng mga brand color niyo para mas maging unique yung kalalabasan ng inyong social media graphics design or any design na gagawin niyo dito sa Canva.
That's it guys on how you can create a social media graphics using Canva and social media graphics for your Facebook business page. I hope you find this video helpful and please give a thumbs up if you do, and don't forget to click that subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell to get you updated on my next video. So guys, thank you for watching and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye!